Hi friends, welcome to MK Softech. This is Mahesh Kumar. In this session, we are going to learn about a functions in C programming language. So firstly, what is a function? A function is nothing but it is self-contained program by doing a particular task. Okay, and the function has classified into two types. One is user-defined function, and another one is predefined function. So every program has one or more functions. Without function, we can't get as output on the console. Okay, so I am explaining a syntax for this function. Return type, function name, parameter. So this is default parameter, or we can write return type, function name, int a. This is single type parameter, or we can write return type, function name, double type parameter. Okay, this is how we write the syntax for function. And for example, void add default parameter and void add of int a. This is single parameter. Void add of int a comma int b. This is double type parameter. So this is how we can write, and I am explaining the classifications of a function. So basically the function has a self-contained program. This is a self-contained block. So this block has set of programs, set of statements. Okay, we can explain, we can write block or program. So here the function is classified into two types. One is user defined function and another one is predefined function. Predefined function. So the user defined function is nothing but the function written by the user. Okay, the function written by the user. For example, display add, like this. Okay, and here the predefined functions are the functions we can't do any changes, we can't make any changes because it has inbuilt. For example, main is one of the predefined function, and printf, it is also one of the predefined functions. Scanf, these are all functions belong to the predefined functions, and these two belongs to the function. Okay, anyhow all are functions. So I am writing one example for, and also I am telling a user defined function has two types again. One is calling function and another one is called by function. You know, a calling function is nothing but the function written within the main. For example, int main add. This is function and it returns inside the main. And called by function, the function written outside the main. For example, add printf. I am writing shortcut pf. So I am in addition. This is example for call by function, and this is example by calling function. Okay, I will explain the program by this all content. Documentation section, adding of two numbers using function. So here I am writing a linked section, hash include stdio.h, and here I am writing a return type void. I am declaring a user defined function by default parameter. Here I am declaring a variables and assigning value to it. A value to b equal to 3 and sum equal to by default is 0. Here I am assigning sum equal to a plus b, and here print f of sum is percentile d, sum, and I am closing this braces. This is one self-contained block, and I am mentioning a main section here, int main, and in this case I am writing and declaring a variable, suppose c equal to, I am calling the function add. So this is a calling function because we written inside the main. Within the main is nothing but calling function, and this calling function is calling this function. So this is now called by function because this is written outside the main. Okay, and so every program starts from the main section only. So the main has the variable c has a calling function add. This add has goes to called by this, and it has some content. So here a value to b equal to 3, sum, before sum value 0, and after that the sum equal to a plus b. Okay, so here a printf is nothing but it is used to create the output on the console window. So here sum is percentile d. Percentile d belongs to the integer because integer has numbers. Okay, so that's why integer has percentile d. So the sum is nothing but a plus b. A plus b means 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is printed as output 5. So the sum is 5. The output is sum is 5. And here I am using only default parameter. If we use double parameter, how we can write the code? Hash include stdio.h, and here void or int add of int a comma int b. Here I am taking two parameters. Here I am directly getting int sum equal to a plus b, and printf sum is percentile d, sum, and closing this. Here I am mentioning a main section, int main. Here you know that sum equal to a plus b. So here I am taking int c equal to add of 2 comma 3. I am directly declaring the values 2 comma 3 because we have parameters int a comma int b. So a has 2, b has 3. Okay, I am closing this. So I am explaining the program. Every program starts from the main only, so that's why main has c has add, this is calling this, and this called by has some data. Here sum equal to a plus b, this sum goes to here and it will read as this, and the sum as 2 plus 3 means this 2 here goes, this 2 goes to here, and this 3 goes to here. So the 2 is equal to b equal to 3, a plus b means 2 plus 3 how much? 5. This will printed as here. Okay, this is about a function. So friends, please like the video, subscribe the video. If you have any doubts, please comment below, and thank you.